previously when we used to give orientation in our library, that is user education, now it has been transformed to library or information literacy programs. See here in this diagram we can see information literacy. It covers information fluency, user education, bibliographic instruction, library orientation, information competencies, user training and development of information skills through the use of ICT. Now librarians, they are using some software programs as well as the ICT technology to orient their users. So this is the next area, that is library orientation. Now when we see information literacy, then there are various types, facets of information literacy such as computer literacy, media literacy, visual literacy, health literacy, business literacy, tool literacy, resource and social structural literacy, research and publishing, of course in emerging technology literacy and critical literacy. And to give these programs, this ICT can be used. Now because of ICT, interactive teaching and learning is possible through the creation of multimedia contents. Now e-learning, e-publishing, e-content, learning object repositories and net classrooms, these are the buzzwords in the era of ICT in the field of education. Now as shown in the diagram, what is multimedia? Multimedia means the combination of medias like video, image, text, animation, sound, DB and web. So all these are the examples of multimedia content. Now because of this ICT, we have one more facility, that is open access literature. What is open access? Open access literature means the literature which is available on the web, which is free of cost, available in full text, and of course it is free from copyright. So this is possible only because of ICT. This open access literature is scattered in various forms, and these forms are open access journals, open access archives, under which we have institutional repositories, disciplinary archives, of course OER and OCW is there. OER stands for Open Educational Resources and OCW stands for Open Courseware. And electronic thesis and dissertations repositories are also there. This is possible only because of the impact of ICT on libraries. Now when we say the library security systems, of course there are some automated systems now available like 3M security. This is the slide shows here the picture of BMI anti-theft system installed in one of the sophisticated libraries. Then these are the RFID systems available in the libraries now. This is the RFID management system. Here you can see each and every section of the library is controlled through these RFID systems, that is radio frequency identification, and this is very useful for libraries to maintain the security systems. Now CCTV cameras also play important role in securing the libraries. It is said that Alvin Toffler's the literate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. Friends, the world has changed now and we have moved into a more demanding cognitive age, compelling people to become better at absorbing, processing and combining information. Can we learn to change with it? Yes, we can. This globalization. Because of globalization, the ongoing process of intensifying economic, social and cultural exchanges across the planet, young people the world over need more innovative and thinking skills, cultural awareness, higher order cognitive skills and sophisticated communication and collaboration skills than ever before. The librarians, they have to improve now because there are some more expectations from them, and they have to cope up with the new ICT technologies now, and some special skills are required. That is critical thinking and problem solving skills, communication and collaboration skills, creativity and innovation skills, information and communication technology literacy. This is very important. And contextual learning skills, information and media literacy skills. So these special skills should be acquired by the 21st century librarian. It is a must now, friends. Then this Web 1.0, Web 1.2.0 and Web 3.0 has influenced the libraries a lot. And now we have Library 2.0, Library 3.0 also. Library 2.0 is the application of interactive, collaborative and multimedia web-based technologies to web-based library services and collection. Library is the fulcrum of support for the entire range of academic activities on an educational campus. In today's high-tech learning environment, the library as a learning resource is taking up increasingly more academic space and time in the life of a learner. So using 2.0 tools in libraries can be a very best practice. Then what are the Web 2.0 tools which can be applied in libraries? These are blogs, weblogs, wikis, RSS, that is really simple syndication, instant messaging, social networking, postcarding, YouTube, tagging, etc. These are the tools which can be used in the libraries. See, this is the diagram which is showing Library 2.0 structure. Library that fits, that suggests, that learns, that gathers, that combines and that organizes. Library 2.0s are user centricity, technology savvy environment, reaching out the patterns, long tail, content for more than one device, component based software, then constant change, use of Web 2.0 applications and services, and of course the open standards are there. Now we can see this Library 2.0 structure which is more interactive. So this is the impact of Library Web 2.0 on Library 2.0. Now we will see the mobile technology, how it is used in the libraries. The use of mobile technology in libraries are also called as M-libraries. In this slide we can see the mobile screen where a library homepage is displayed with the links like contact visitors, hours, catalog search. See, this catalog search can also be done through these M-libraries. Next please. Some of the interesting facts are, according to Global Mobile Statistics 2010, mobile penetration in the developing world now is 68%. Mobile penetration in Africa is the lowest worldwide at 41%. The world's most populous nations have the most mobile subscriptions. China and India lead growth. China 747.4 million subscribers in 2009, growing to 1,311.7 million in 2014. India 525.2 million subscribers in 2009, growing to 853 million in 2014. And USA 292.8 million subscribers in June 2010. See, these are the various tools applied or used in M-libraries. These are the mobiles, personal digital assistants, that is PDS, and smartphones. This slide shows various tools. Now libraries are gradually beginning to offer mobile services to the patrons in several ways, like reference services via text messaging, text message alerts and circulation services. Mobile library, online public access catalogs, this can also be managed nowadays. Audio tools and library instructions can also be given through this mobile technology now. Then possible library services using mobile technology are reference service, current awareness service, book renew service, book alert service, outstanding book report, disaster information service, agricultural information service, entertainment service, and of course news service, which is a very common service. Now, M-Library at IGNOU. Indira Gandhi National Open University is the largest university in the world with 1.85 million students on its rolls. It offers 138 academic courses with a student services networks spread over 1804 study centers coordinated by 58 regional centers. The survey was conducted by Seema Chandlok and Praveen Babbar regarding the expectations of the users from the M-Library systems and were reported in the paper M-Learning Libraries in Distance Education, a proposed model for IGNOU. These results are quoted in the next slides with due respect to the original authors. Mobile education in IGNOU initiatives in pipeline are provision of educational content to students via text, audio and video on mobile phones. Then provision of appearing for exams on a mobile, IGNOU channels Gyanadarshan 1 and 2 around the clock all through the year carried by the TBSPL cable network service. Then there are plans to offer capsule courses on dance, music, art, public health and other subjects through mobile phones. IGNOU Online, the gateway to the IGNOU Online programs will also be available through the handsets now. See, these are the survey results, that is M services requirements of distance learners of IGNOU, and here we can see that the enrollment status wanted by 82%, status of entrance and examinations 82%, then alert services 88%, then here on number 6 there is library alert services about new arrivals, 42% people responded to it, SMS reference service 30%, reference enquiry services 60%, then mobile blog posts 25%, then library circulation services were demanded by 30% of the people. Then of course access to course material 55%, then project reports 60%, thesis and research papers 20%, then previous question papers 90%, library web OPAC by 60%, e-books, e-journals from library by 45%, and digitized collection of special library materials by 55%. Friends, that means the users, they want the services through new technologies. Now, the mobile services for proposed model given by those authors were mobile library databases, M repository, publishers database, links to free open sources, mobile instructions, reference and inquiry, presentation and visibility, RSS alerts, then mob logging, SMS notification, then mobile library circulation and video conferencing. These were all the services. So friends, no doubt ICT is a boon for libraries. Thank you very much.